Hello there and welcome to this video about my new digital audio workstation. Well, it's a new computer. I have been using a DAW for many years now and recently my old computer died on me. It was an old i3 Intel CPU based computer. It was a dual core machine, 4 threads, so that means 8 threads simultaneously. It could handle Mixbus5 pretty well as Ardour 4, but well, it died on me and I had to replace it. I bought an Acer Aspire E5, as we say, i5, I think it's in correct English. Anyway, it's a 6 core CPU, 6 threads, so that makes 36 threads at once. That's a lot more, 4.5 times more threads than the old one could handle, and well, you can see that in the performance. It has 8 gigabyte RAM, a nice 265 gigabyte SSD, plus an additional Sata drive, 1 terabyte. So that's all in all, it's a good computer for all the work you need to do at the office or at home, but it's also extremely good for recording at home, especially when you're running Linux Mint like I do. The old one had an SSD disk, and I wanted to put that one into my new computer, but well, I found out the new one had an M2 SSD disk, so that wasn't possible. I had to reinstall Linux and reinstall all the software, meaning I couldn't use my old disk anymore. Well, anyway, I'm going to play around a little with it, record some stuff, and meanwhile you can watch and listen. Okay, some of you sometimes comment on my videos why I didn't bother to tune my guitars, but as you can see, I really do tune them. So for those of you who pay close attention, I did do a few overdubs, as you can see. When you look at the tracks, this is the original Samick track, no overdubs here. The Telecaster track, but here on the bass there were a few notes that needed correction. I'm not a good bass player, not at all, so I messed up a little and well, did it again. Now I already had some effects on this. For the bass I always use the Calf saturator to give it a little bit more in the mid range. And I had some reverb on the channel where I recorded the Telecaster. So I want the sound of the Telecaster to be a little more wider. To achieve this, I can duplicate the track. Just choose duplicate. I copy the playlist. I put it straight under it after the selection. Okay. So here's the second Telecaster track now. So if you have 2 tracks, you can just slide them out of sync slightly. It looks a lot now, but if I go back to the regular view, you can see it's only a little bit. Now you can't hear this, so we'll have to hear this later. This is the first track. I'm panning that to the left, and this is the second one. Let's see how that sounds. Now for the acoustic, I'm going to pan that a little and put it a little more in the back as far as the volume is concerned. For the Samic, I'm going to do the same. Duplicate, okay. Do that a little more extreme. And just to create a nice full sound. Let's export it. Well, first I want to show you I have a limiter on it. Let's set it a little more extreme. I could do some vocal, but well, this will prove the case. You can use a computer to record. Well, you all know that, of course, and the performance of this computer is perfect for recording. As you can see, I can run all kinds of effects on it. Here we go, exporting it now. As you can see, it's all very fast and smooth. So thanks for watching this little demo of my Acer Aspire computer with Mixbus5 on it as a digital audio workstation, and I hope you enjoyed it.